Joe Beermaster. Today we have a 2013 Mercedes C300. This goes for a lot of Mercedes. Sometimes the handle breaks. We're going to figure out why it's not working. Either something's disconnected, the handle broke, or the cable broke. So we have to get this off. First thing, we want to get the screws out. I can see there's one there, a hex head. So we're going to take that out. I think that's a T27. And there's also another one over this side under the handle. Get that. I still believe there's one under there, but I'm not sure. We're going to try to get it off without that. I'm going to take the speaker cover off. That's just held in by clips. We can get a screwdriver, put that behind there, and kind of work it out. Pull from here. Just keep pulling. You can see that came out there. You can disconnect the speaker if you want. I'm going to try to lift this up. Use two hands. First I'm going to loosen this side. Alright, it's coming off. So as you can see there, we have a broken handle. So you can see the handle's broke there. And the cable also broke. The cable's supposed to stay in there steadily. That's broke. Something's supposed to hold that cable right there. That's broke off. So you need a cable and a handle. And unfortunately, the handles, you have to buy the entire door panel from Mercedes. Oh boy.